Hello, Princess. Why does your smile look so quiet today?
I want to be a good ruler, but I don't always know what is right. Listen first, be kind and true. Every heart will guide you through.
Please tell me your worries one by one. I am here to listen.
Thank you. My magic stays whenever you choose kindness.
When the lesson was learned, it was time to say goodbye.
And from that day on, Princess Arohi ruled with a listening heart.